Hey there guys, it's another CB Productions Logic tutorial that we're going to be going over today. Today we are going to have a look at how Ultrabeat works. Ultrabeat is a built-in pattern-based sequencer for drums, which is made entirely for Logic. So we're going to open it up. As you can see on the I/O, we've selected Ultrabeat down at the bottom, and this is your main layout. As you can see, you get 3 main oscillators, and you get yourself a note assigned to each keyboard key to give you a different drum sound. Comes with a various number of presets. As you can see here, we're going to use the Indie Live kit as our example, which is right there. So let's give that a listen to just what some of them sound like. That's the full view, which we'll be coming back to in a moment. Click off of that, back to the main page. As you can hear, a different sample is triggered on each key. You also get a number of preset patterns that come with each different kit, which is very useful. Down here in the bottom of the Ultrabeat side, you see the velocities and the note which everything is hit on. So I'm going to turn on Ultrabeat and play it along. It's going to play that bass pattern for you. As you can see, the kick is coming in on those notes there. You can click in, change them, take them out, whatever you want to do. So it all works around 3 main oscillators, as you can see up here. So the first oscillator determines your pitch and velocity, travels into your main filter. That filter then is sent through to an amplifier, which will send out your sound. You also get your other 2 oscillators, which are going to be able to change all sorts of different things. So on this they are turned off, of course, except for the last one. Your third one is essentially your noise amplifier, which will, for this kit, is entirely based on samples. Something you can actually do yourself. You can drag it all in and drag in your own samples and make your own drum kit as you like. So there is the sample that you get for that kick. It all goes into that and comes out of the main filter. I'm going to have a look at the full view now. This is where you get all of your pattern based work. So we're going to set it to this pattern over here, just for the sake of things. But what you can do is change it to whatever you want. Essentially, it gives you a set number of presets which you can play about and edit and fiddle with. So if I want a note here, I just click that in. Take those out for now. Put in whatever you want, wherever you want. It's very easy and simple to use. So let's turn that on and give it a play. That's what it sounds like at the moment. So very easy stuff. Let's add in a few kicks just for example. Very easy to hear, aren't they? Look at that. You can create it as you're playing it along. It's very simple. Put in whatever you want, wherever you want. Of course, all of the keys have their own separate names. You know what you're going to be clicking on and what you can be taking out. You can click and drag onto these keys and create more than one note. It's very easy to use, so let's stop that for now. Okay, right, so we're going to be using our MIDI preset here. This is the track we've already made. So we're going to open up Ultrabeat again. Now this pattern, say we like that one, down the bottom left hand side, you can drag it in your pattern that you've just made. And turn off Ultrabeat and play along on the main kit. What it will do is it will play along that MIDI drum pattern that you've made. So, turn back on Ultrabeat, pause our sound there. We're going to take out all of these notes, literally drag and click, takes everything out. Add in these kicks and that. I'm going to drag that in as well. So we find the space. Dragged in right there. I want to turn off Ultrabeat again after you've done that. Close that. So we'll play that. It's going to keep your original one that you've already dragged in, and then your new one as well. Very simple and easy to use. Anyway, thank you for watching. That's been CB Productions on Logic.